Guys, hello everyone. Today we have a short video with Irshad Katak. Irshad is Drilling Division Manager, in simple words, Operations Manager for the DDS company, which is doing directional drilling and will be doing HDD, for example, for Kalpataru. And last week we had a meeting. I want to do a short interview with Irshad and so that you guys know how people can manage their people in a safe, good way, taking care of them. Irshad, tell us some words. How is about, human being attitude? How is about vacation, times off? If, for example, someone is dying, do you send these people at your cost back home? Some companies have this policy, etc., etc. Just maybe 2 minutes.
We have a policy in our company, and it's not just saying, we've actually administered this policy, where if a loved one passes away, then what we do is within the first 3 hours of the passing, we buy a ticket and make sure that the person involved is on a plane, repatriated to the country where the deceased is. We've done it on 4 occasions. The most recent was, I think, 2 months ago, where what happened was, we say parents or siblings, but this guy turned out to be an adopted uncle who had brought this guy up, so he didn't fall into the criteria. So what we did was we then brought his vacation forward, and we used that as the criteria to allow him to go home. So we're flexible with our people. The thing is, if they've got circumstances at home, they're not able to concentrate on their work. What we do is a very dangerous job. Even though people think that, oh, we're prima donnas, what we do is life and death. If we don't work as a team, as a crew, as we've seen recently, there's a lot of deaths, and deaths can happen very easily because there's high pressure that we work with. There's machinery, there's workman interfaces with machinery. These are things that we need to make sure that the most important thing is that someone is not thinking about what's happening at home.
Exactly.
So that's one thing that we do. Another thing we do to ensure the well-being of our people, we give them regular vacations, whether it's inside Saudi Arabia as a vacation. Most of our Muslim workers like to go to Mecca and Medina to do pilgrimage. We find that actually energizes them spiritually and mentally. So that's something that we do. For our non-Muslim workers, we allow them to go away and spend some time away. We have regular barbecues in our yard for our people, so that they can come as a team and speak to each other and know what's going on in the wider projects and the wider company. So these are things that we've instigated to help develop the well-being of our people.
Very nice. And what about salaries? Do you pay competitive salaries?
We pay over the odd salaries. My labourers are getting 3,000 riyals.
3,000?
Yes.
Wow.
Which is a very good salary.
Good salary, yeah.
We pay every month on the first of every month. This has been going on for 6 years. So it's not me saying it to you. I can give you proof that they've been paid. Our people, what we also do is, if there is some hardship back home, then we will give advance salaries. And then we don't enforce them. We sort of like give them time
to give back.
Our workers don't leave. They don't want vacation because they're happy. What also we do is, when permits are revoked on site, our people don't go to the yard. They go straight to the accommodation
and
rest, speak with their families and things like that. So we take well-being as a paramount.
Or safety.
Safety. Another thing that we do, and this is at the discretion of my managers and supervisors, is we allow, if the work is going well and it's safe to do so, we'll allow someone to have a day off in lieu, so they can do things like go to the bank, speak to their families, arrange something, go and do some shopping. And these are things that we do. We always try and give Fridays off to our people, because this is the one day where they can do washing, they can go and pray,
Exactly.
they can do spiritual
Yes, needs, whatever.
needs.
Yeah.
You know, these are the things that we try and promote, and it eventually. Initially, it's a chore. Eventually, it becomes normal.
Normal, yeah.
You know? And this is what we try.
Irshad, thank you so much. You look very young. I think one of the reasons is because your people are praying for you, for your health. Thank you so much. Aditya, I want to ask you a question. This is Aditya, corporate HC manager for Kalpataru. Aditya, tell me, when you have a schedule, how many days, working days? 6 days or 5?
6 days.
When you have this one day only off, what do you do?
Only I'm sleeping in my room.
Thank you.
All day.